Alright guys, well, I do not know what happened, but my phone cut off during the video, but if you want to see more of my RC content, there's two things you gotta do. You gotta subscribe, then you gotta turn on the notification bell for updates, so you all can get the notifications from me when I upload videos on YouTube. And if it's pretty outside, you got something rip it no matter what. If it's rock crawling, doing speed runs, playing with your drift cars, RCing helicopters, airplanes, boats, or anything RC related, if it's pretty outside, y'all know what to do. Hope y'all are having a good day of RCing or whatever you're doing. This is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more RC content. I'll talk to y'all later. Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. On today's episode, today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I got some stuff for my car from shein. It's an app, and stuff on it is pretty cheap. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video, guys. Well, as you can see, I got a blue and black steering wheel cover and a blue and black console cover, because you can't really see it, but mine's torn. And I got me a rope braided keychain also. See, here's the keychain. So